The Federal Reserve announcing they're holding interest rates where they are for now, while acknowledging a growing sense of uncertainty about the economy over the president's tariff plans.
National correspondent Audrey Alishar reports from Washington.
The Fed leaving interest rates unchanged Wednesday, signaling 2 rate cuts are likely sometime this year.
Uncertainty today is unusually elevated.
Usually not one to comment on fiscal policy, Fed Chair Powell unable to ignore what he and his colleagues are hearing across the country.
You do see increases widely in short-term inflation expectations, and people who fill out surveys and answer questionnaires are pointing to tariffs about that.
President Trump says he's not budging from plans to impose sweeping tariffs on a wide range of imports.
Recession risks are uncomfortably high and they're rising. I think they're less than 50-50, but it really does depend on the president and what he does here.
The president and his advisors acknowledge there will be disturbance, but reject warnings tariffs will fuel inflation, which they blame on the prior administration.
Is this your economy now? Certain things are.
Trump is taking credit for a boost in manufacturing during his first month in office. Output in February was up 0.9%, beating expectations, led by a spike in production of vehicles and auto parts. The auto sector is poised to be hit especially hard by tariffs, but the White House insists they will bring a domestic manufacturing boon. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent.
To reorder the international trading system and bring manufacturing jobs back to the U.S.
Through tariffs.
Well, to use tariffs where needed to bring other countries into line.
Instead of falling in line, other countries are hitting back.
We'll retaliate, dollar for dollar, tariff for tariff. It is going to hurt the Americans. It is going to hurt us. But we can't roll over.
President Trump says starting April 2nd, he'll start imposing tariffs on trading partners across the globe, charging what they charge American imports. Now, there's not much else we know, but Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has revealed the White House will assign each country a number to represent their level of tariffs. In Washington, I'm Audrey Alishar.